Hey boys and girls, Mrs. Wilcox here. I wanted to say happy Thursday, and actually this Thursday is our Friday because there's no school tomorrow. All right, so you get an extra day. Maybe you'll make it to the beach for those super low tides in the morning, or get out and do something fun with your family. All right, I'm going to switch my screen and show you what we're going to be learning today. Here I am on our Thursday page. So you can see, here's the information for you to check in with me, okay? We are only going to have the Zoom meeting at 11 a.m., so I need to erase this 2 p.m. link. So remember, if you want to Zoom with me, come in at 11 a.m. Next week, we will start Zooming with Miss Heather 1 day or 2 days in the afternoon. So if that's something you'd love to do, is read with Miss Heather, then you can come on and do that. I am making the video that you're watching, and then after that, I have a silly Easter Caddy book for you to listen to since Sunday is Easter. So Easter's almost here. We're getting in the Easter spirit. And after you listen to that book, you're going to discuss with your family how your Easter traditions might have changed this year and what you can do to make sure that they're extra special. So since we have to be at home and we're supposed to stay distant from other people, lots of our traditions are changing. Like me and my family, we usually go to the VFW, to the Easter egg hunt. We're not going to be able to do that this year because they're not having it. Okay, so how are your Easter traditions changing? And what can you do to make sure that they are still very special for your family? All right. The last type of graph that we're learning about is called a line plot. And a line plot is a really great way for us to organize information. It's a little bit more tricky maybe than a pictograph or a bar graph, but I'm excited for you guys to watch these videos, and then we will practice some of those if you're able to hop on Zoom. Otherwise, if you have other questions, please let me know. After watching those videos about a line plot, you're going to make your very own. So I would like for you to ask your family members their shoe size and then record that data, and then you're going to make a line plot using that data. Okay, and a challenge for you: can you connect with a distant family member over the phone or video chat, or maybe even just a friend, and add their data to that line plot as well? The more data points we have, the more people we can ask, the better our graphs will be. All right, friends, for your healthy habit today, we're talking about the last thing, the last of those 4 healthy habits to keep our body really ready to learn and be productive. And so the last one is exercise. And I know lots of you have been doing some great activities. Some of you have been getting onto Mrs. Simonson's page and going to her meetings and checking out what she has. I know some people have been using the Go Noodle link or the Cosmic Kids link off of our homepage, and all of those are great things. And I know some friends have been getting outside too, so that's great as well. So here's a video that kind of shows you a little bit more of the science behind why our bodies need exercise, and really exercise equals brain power. So for us to be able to learn, we really need a lot of exercise. That's why at school we have 2 recesses, and sometimes we even get up and move in the classroom too while we're learning. The last Easter craft I have for you is to create some of these beautiful little Easter eggs. You might be dyeing eggs with your families, or maybe you have plastic Easter eggs, but you could also do some of these paper ones. And so they're kind of a quick craft. You could involve your family, your younger siblings or older siblings could make them as well, and they would really make your house look really nice for Easter. All right, that's kind of all I have for you, my friends. I hope that you have a great Sunday and happy Easter, and I will be back with you on Monday. Remember, there's no school tomorrow on Friday, but I hope you have a great long weekend and enjoy some family time. Get out and move and enjoy that sun. All right, my friends, have a great day.